Greetings, everybody. My name is Mr. King. Today I'm here to teach you how to make a Chinese omelette. Why Chinese omelette, you ask? Well, in the boring days of quarantine, you better know a thing or two about how to make something simple, delicious, yet nutritious. And Chinese omelette is one of the kind. Here we go. To make a Chinese omelette, you will need these ingredients. First of all, 3 eggs, any kind of salt, olive oil, and scallions, which I have chopped them already, and a special sauce, which is made of 10% water, 40% of vinegar, and 50% of soy sauce. This is all we need to make one. Now we can start the real business. Now take your bowls out and put everything but the olive oil into the bowl. After you put all the things into the bowl, now you can start mixing it. And do remember to keep mixing it until it starts foaming. That's when all the ingredients are mixed up well together. Moving on, pour the olive oil into the fry pan. Then turn on the stove to heat up the pan. And always keep an eye on the fire. Oh, trust me, you will not want to burn your omelets. Next, pour the mixture into the fry pan. Afterward, put on the lid. And here I recommend that you should use a transparent one so that you can watch the omelets. Four minutes later, now you have to flip the omelet over so that both sides of it can be fully cooked. Use your spatula to gently flip it over. And try not to accidentally tear it into pieces. Oh, you will not want that to happen. After 4 more minutes, your omelet is completely cooked. Now it is ready to be taken out of the pan and be placed on a plate. Finally, your Chinese omelette is all completed. Oh, look how beautiful it is. Shining and tasty. Always a nice decoration on the dining table. As well as a good choice in the days of quarantine. At last, let me prepare it by seasoning a bit with pepper. Now, it is ready to be served.